So, we are in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. Don't mind my face, you probably look crusty. Best friend's birthday today, and we are at the beach. It's so pretty. Staying at the Hilton Ocean 22 Grand Vacations, I believe that's what it's called. Everybody say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
That's Jasmine. Tasha's best friend since high school. Oh, actually, they're related. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
Well, y'all, yeah, y'all cousins.
Didn't even know it. Technically.
Middle school.
All black people, you know.
Is the right.
For them over 5 years. Yeah.
Middle school, what, 8th grade? 7th grade?
8th grade. 7th grade. No, you can't. But then 7th grade, it was like the 2nd or 7th grade. And then you took my best friend, Brianna. Probably I didn't.
You took my best friend.
She did. She took my best friend, Brianna.
It's okay. I don't know why middle school and high school, you like swap friends. Jasmine's mom told us before we left that we have to come up with fake names. So we're getting our names. What is your name today or this weekend?
I'm Nene.
Nene. Wait, what's the full name?
Tane.
Tane, but we call her Nene. Well, they picked. My name is gonna be. What is my name? Anna. Okay, no, seriously. What are your fake names?
Tane. I think you're good with Trina. Okay, Trina.
Okay, we are. She was like, hello, my name is Trina.
I should go with Big Lotto.
Big Lotto.
Big Lotto. Hey, honey, nice to meet you, honey. Big Lotto.
I have a surprise for Tasha. Me and Jasmine are gonna treat her to a massage, so we're gonna get ready to take her to a massage, and then she doesn't know yet, so see. But I'm gonna decorate her room for her while she's out, and then it'll be done when she gets back, and she'll be surprised. And so, all right.
Did somebody serve?
Did somebody? Being the bestie to get to her appointment.
What appointment?
Just overwhelmed. I can't
Excited. We brought her to get a massage.
Somebody about to rub on my body.
Oh,
Me and Jazz are getting everything ready so far. How much set you guys? Her massage in an hour, so that's how long we got to do. That's going pretty fast.
My armpits, bro. They're killing.
Okay guys, this is what the room ended up looking like after we're done. We gotta go get Tasha now because she's done with her massage and she's waiting for us. But we're gonna surprise her when she gets back, so we'll see how she reacts. Bye bye. Beach from the south. Happy birthday! Turn light on.
I don't know how to turn it out. Oh wow. My goodness. Yo, this is beautiful. Oh no. It's so cute.
Oh, it fell!
It's so beautiful though. We have more tape, don't we? It's still beautiful.
We stick it on. We stick it back.
Okay.
Take your mask off. I can't tell your reaction.
Did you spray? What the shit? Y'all too much.
Damn it, guys. Well, you saw it earlier. It said happy birthday.
It smells so beautiful in
It
here.
does
It's
smell really good.
amazing. Thank you guys.
Aww.
I gotta read the card.
No, not right now. Turn
Come
off the
on,
camera.
read it.
Cause I gotta go eat.
Okay.
Okay, you can't hold it. All right. Now.
Turn off the
Okay, we'll resume. We're gonna fix this. Who Okay, ready?
Look at the cork. You're littering.
Okay.
Right there.
Take another drink. Take another drink. I'm gonna boomerang it. Perfect. Woo! More life.
It's all good.
Alright guys, so we are on the beach now.
We are live on Instagram.
We are recording
Missouri.
to South Carolina. Come on and raise up. Take your shirt out. Look how beautiful. Our hotel is right here. They have a special with drinks going on, so we might head over there and get some more drinks. Everybody's pretty spaced out as well, so we're not really close to everybody, as you can tell. Guys, look! Tasha gave us party favors, and she gave me an anklet. You're so sweet. Because we had surprises for her, and now she got surprises for us. I was not expecting this.
Y'all didn't
So
even know.
cute.
Good.
Y'all, this is savage, okay? This ain't no just little regular underwear. This savage. You see? You see? Thanks, baby.
I gotta put this on tighter.
So cute.
Which one you want?
It's too hard.
I got you. I got you.
Look. Oh, so adorable. Let me see yours, Chef. So cute.
I gotta flip it around. Flip it around. 92, baby.
Gang, gang, gang. Hi guys, we're ready to go to dinner. Okay, Jasmine is lit on the porch and we are done. Let me show you my outfits. I have on just like this half wig from, I don't know, Amazon. And then I have on this bodysuit. I got it from AliExpress. I can't remember the vendor. I'll have to tag it if you guys want to know. And then I just have on these jeans and some heels. Wait a minute, it's a full side mirror in here. Okay guys, sorry before my camera cut off. Anyway, I'm wearing bodysuit from AliExpress. These jeans are from Rebellious Fashion, but I cut holes in them at the knee, so they're kind of like distressed. And then these shoes are thrifted by my grandma. So yeah, and then I have my watch on, and then just some hoops, and yeah. And that's it. We're about to go to dinner, and then I'll see you at dinner. Peace.
Y'all are too much.
Y'all drink too much. I don't even know
Okay,
what
I
it
got you. What is it? Okay, I got you a little necklace.
It's a beautiful necklace.
It's rose. Okay, guys. We are back from dinner. We're about to go to the beach, and then a little bit. I'm tired. We went to the Italian restaurant. It was really good. I just had like a salmon salad. Oh my god! And we have been drinking this whole time. I don't know what we have planned for tomorrow. I'm probably just gonna hang out. But they're just in there looking at old videos.
I got one of these looking so good.
I know you guys are wondering, like, where have you been? So I'll probably do like an update video. I don't know when. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Then I can let you know what's everything that's happened prior to this moment. Alright guys, we have another beach day. Woo! My camera is dead and I'm having some issues with my memory card, so I'm gonna vlog on my phone. So yeah, what did we do last night? We went to dinner. What else did we do?
We got a little intoxicated.
Got very drunk.
Mostly Jade and Tosh, not me.
No, definitely this one right here. We was fucked up. But Tosh, did you have a good birthday?
Awesome. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Good.
This is more than I asked for. And I couldn't ask for any more.
Mission
Thank
accomplished. And now we're just enjoying our last day on this stuff right here. I don't know if you heard of it, but it's the shit. Do you guys see my legs?
Okay.
They're like really glowy. And guys, you know what? I have another vlog coming in like 2 weeks. Well, I don't know when you're gonna see this, to be honest, because y'all know my updated schedule is non-existent. I'm trying to get better. Bear with me. A couple weeks, my birthday is coming up, and I'm going to. You guys will just have to see. I won't tell you yet.
prize. I'm a queen with the shits. Yeah, I'm all about my chips. Yeah, I say drippy drip. You don't see the spots bite, bitch. Check out my wrist.
Hey, check out my wrist. Hey, check out my wrist. Hey, T-Mac, is she all about the shit?
She all about the shit. I can't keep my balance for shit, y'all, but that's okay though. It's T-Mac.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday.